Hey everyone, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a suppressor bag, hot bag. So we're going to use this multi-cam black. This is 500D Cordura, and then we're going to use that same welding blanket material that we've used in the past for the Hot Pocket rail wrap clone. We're going to use these magnets as the enclosure. So it should be pretty simple. We're going to do these magnets first. We're going to embed them in the top layer, kind of right in the middle. We're gonna measure this. So this is a 9-inch wide by 10-inch tall piece of fabric, and then you're gonna do the same for the welding blanket material. We're just gonna mark the halfway point and embed the magnets up top here, and then we'll attach the welding blanket on the inside. Okay, you want to make sure that you have space to sew this overflap down. And that's the middle mark, and that it's pretty straight across the top when you fold this down. All right, let's get this stitched. Okay, you want to make sure that the magnets are attracted to each other when you close, or else they're not going to do what they're supposed to do. So check that, looks good. Okay, now this is the inside, obviously. We're going to go ahead and attach the welding blanket. We're going to top stitch it like this, or I guess stitch it so that we can flip it over and not have a kind of a jagged edge right there. Okay, now we're going to fold that over and we're going to top stitch it. Okay, now we're going to sew around all the edges here. Okay, now the last sewing step, we're going to fold it, inside out. We're going to stitch along all of these edges here just to seal it up. We're going to stay as close to the edge as possible. Go back over it. All right, the last step is to turn it inside out. Because it is quite long, this part can be a little difficult, especially with these really rigid materials. Just go ahead and go through here. Might need to use a pencil for some of it. grab the material here and pull it out towards you. Okay, I know I said I was done sewing, but I'm actually going to top stitch the two sides here. So let's go ahead and do that. Just kind of starting, I'll start at the bottom. As close to the edge as possible again. Should be good. All right, here it is all finished up. You can see that suppressor will fit in there. The edge looks a little bit better now. Got the magnetic enclosure. Pretty nifty. In the future, might have to incorporate some sort of pull tab on each side so you can kind of just grab each and pull it open. But got the welding blanket material in there.